Ìròyìn á máa pọ̀ sí, ìdùnnú á máa pọ̀ sí, àwọn ọmọ á máa pọ̀ láàfin, ìfẹ́ ní á máa pọ̀ sí, olórí á máa pọ̀ sí. Ṣé ní bàbá rẹ̀ ni ó dẹ̀ kanlẹ̀? Ẹlẹ́ni ni ó kanlẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ nìyí. Ẹ bá mi ṣe kábíyèsí fún bàbá. Kábíyèsí is the husband of my youth. I enjoy calling him that. God bless him for me. Huh? I'm still a youth. Mama youth love on me. So thank you so very much. Thank you. And know this that we love you. I would always say we go up. We love you so much. People that love me, who are love me. And the people that love me, look at princesses of the stars. Who are love me. Look at Pasero. We always love you. I know they love you so much, my darling. More money. Everyone, please say thank you to Kábíyèsí for me. I tell you, I Kàtúwà tẹ̀síwájú, mo ṣì wà nílé àwọn ọkọ mi, ilé àwọn bàbá mi àti àwọn màmá mi. Mo délé mo rí àwọn màmá, mo délé mo rí àwọn bàbá. The family of Ogunwusi has deeply touched my spirit today. So much. Àwọn ìdílé bàbá, they've been wonderful today. They've been so wonderful, not just today. I actually did not plan anything like this, to be honest. Mo kàn ní kí n jí láàárọ̀, kí n gbé Ọlọ́run tóbi, kí n bẹ̀ lọ sùn ni. But you see, it's been a covenant of God upon my life. Ọdọọdún ni wọ́n máa ń ṣe bí orò ni. And so I said this year, I just want to sleep and say thank you to God in the living room. And one of Kábíyèsí's sisters, Yèyétù, wọ́n pè mí. Wọ́n ní báwo la ṣe fẹ́ ṣe tọdún yìí. And I just didn't know how to say, mo fẹ́ sùn, mo fẹ́ jí ni. Mo ní bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe ní ká ṣe ṣe ni. And to the glory of God, for those who are close to me, they will know that it's not really, I don't know how to put it. How could this have been me alone? They stood by me, every one of them. So cool, like, bàbá mi gidi ni wọ́n. Mo kí yín o. Mo fi ti Adétadé kí yín, ẹ jẹ́ kí yín dáadáa. Mo fi Adétadé kí yín. Wọ́n máa ń nǹkan. Gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ lára máa bá wọn wá. Àwọn tó máa dáná fún sòpò wà nílé wa. A máa so jẹ fún wọn. Ìgbà tí mo kọ́kọ́ rí sòpò, mo sọ fún Kábíyèsí mo ní sòpò tàn mọ́lẹ̀. Àwa tí kọ́kọ́ ìyàbẹ̀ yẹ. Sọ́nà bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Sọ́nà bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Mo ti yálé náà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, Soko is handsome inside, is handsome outside. Ṣẹ́gbàmù wọn need introduction. Wọ́n find it is the delight of many beautiful women. Kábíyèsí ti máa ṣàyí òmìnirí ìmọ̀. Àìsàn yìí kan gbogbo ọmọge lórí ìmọ̀. Kábíyèsí ẹ ti pọ̀ jù. Ẹ pọ̀ gan àríwá rí fún mi. Wọ́n ní ká ọ̀rọ̀ máa jẹ́ díẹ̀. Bàbá handsome wọn gbọ́dọ̀ jó. He is in his own class of handsomeness. I said he's tallest tallest among men. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ga mi ò sí ìrọ́kùnrin tó ga fún mi. Honestly, ní gbogbo bí tá a wà ẹ̀kẹ́ tó lẹ̀ ṣe wọlé bí ẹ̀rú wọlé ni. Bàbá yẹn hands gan ni. You are my bubble. Bàbá tí wọ́n wọ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ dáadáa. Mo tún wá fẹ́ kí ọmọ ọba gidi tó pò gidi Prince Adétúnjí Ògúnwùsì láti mi ni wọ́n ní wonderful. I am very honored. I will say I never knew that you can honor me this way. Daddy, I never knew that you can honor me this way. I never knew that you can honor me this way. I say honor me this way. Thank you, Daddy. God bless you, sir. Èmi nìkan tán, ẹ pọ̀ gan-an. Tabali bàbá tabali bàbá sọ pé àwọn pọ̀ gan-an ni. Thank you, sir. Ẹ kú ìfẹ́ mi. Èmi kìíní tíntín náà. God bless you, sir. Gbogbo èkó ló wọ bí lẹ́nìí. Cat gbogbo lẹ́yìn àjẹwà bí just for this little me. Ẹ ṣe gan-an, sir. And àwọn yèyé mi gangan. Like I said the other time, they helped put this together. It was their, how do I put it? One inspire me, one the spirit love. So thank you, ma. Ẹ ṣé gan ni láti orí ìyé Fọláṣadé, mọ́mì mi ní ilé òkè òtòrúkọ yẹn pè. Títí dé ìyé Adéṣọlá, àdè ìyé Adébímpé, ìyé Folúṣọ́. Gbogbo wọn ni wọ́n máa ìyá Adébímpé máa ń kó sí orí mi gan-an ni. Tó bá ti wọ ọbẹ̀ ó máa ń wú ni, màá ní ṣé mi náà. Ó ní wọ́n ṣe máa ń ṣẹ́jú mọ́ mi bàbá lórí ojú yẹn. Orí yẹn máa ń lẹ̀ gan-an ni. Nígbà tí mo ti rójú yẹn lára bàbá ni mi ti lọ mọ́. Mo ní mo dé sílé bàbá mi. Ẹ ṣé gan ni, thank you to all the family members. And to the very beautiful princess of the source, very bona fide, first before any. God bless you. She's ìyá mi nìyẹn, you know, she's my husband's heart. Princess Adiola, God bless you. I am so honored to èmi náà, ìyá ọkọ mi, ẹ ṣé gan ni, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Thank you for coming. All the way from Abuja, everywhere, thank you. And to all the princesses of the sauce. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń múnú bàbá fún tẹ́ máa fi sọ́ọ̀sì sínú ata wọn. Tẹ́ máa ń jẹ́ kó ní Yorùbá flavour nú. Tí wọ́n á ní pẹ́pẹ́. Ẹ ṣé gan ni. God bless you. Mo rí yín mo kí ẹ kí bàbá kan rárẹ̀rìn mú sẹ́nu. Ó wọlé sí wọn lára. Mo rí gbogbo yín o. God bless you. Princess Fọláṣadé, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, there is another daughter of Kábíyèsí in here. Òyìnbó ni wọ́n. Níjọ́ tí mo rí orí, oh my goodness. Ẹ bá ilé yín gan ni. Ṣé ẹ mọ̀? Ẹni tó jẹ́ ní òfin oṣù lè bí pupa nìyẹn. Ẹ mọ̀ tí a bá pa gbogbo náà bí iná ṣì máa wà. Àbẹ̀rù jẹnẹrétọ̀. That's your adopted daughter of Kábíyèsí. God bless you, Dr. Elizabeth Jacqueline. You are wonderful. You are amazing. In fact, I just said maybe she would come. Or she would and you honored me this way and you are looking so beautiful this night. God bless you. God bless you. I don't want to take too much time, but I said I must do it. With the fellow, I want to leave by you. And then kí n tún sọ̀dọ̀ wòlíì ká tó máa bọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ yẹn Naomi tó rọ̀tọ̀ láyé wọn ìyá nìyá yẹn Prophetess Mary Olúborí ọlá ń bí wọn nú ní òkè wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn ọlá màmá yẹn máa ń bí ìrànú gan ni. God bless you ma, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Wọ́n ní yé blọ́ọ̀gì yín wọ́n máa vlog wa lọ ni. God bless you ma. Ẹ ṣé, ẹ kú ìdìde. Thank you for beating the traffic and everything and for supporting and making sure we have a beautiful night today. Ẹ ṣé gan ni ma. God bless you. Mo kí yín o. Àwọn family mi, àwọn èèyàn mi, God bless you. But I know, you know I would have married you if you were another one. Can't consider this honestly, but you live there. So God bless you, my darling brother, my sweet brother. But I fear, thank you for still staying with me and standing by me. Priscilla Yatabita Osheo Monifeo. Thank you, Similoluwa. I love you so much. I love you. Thank you for representing. I can't be all up in people's faces, but you do that for me. Thank you. Thank you. Anytime. I'm also getting love. Kábíyèsí gan ni. Nígbà tí mo gbọ́ pé oh my God, àwọn tí mi lè bọ́ sí mi lé. Orúkọ yẹn dùn gan ni. God bless you. God bless you. Everyone who has come from all the queens that came from their kingdom to celebrate with me. Everyone who made today possible. If I did not mention your name, then I might get back. If I just didn't mention your name, know that I can't spend the whole day. You know, but I love everyone that is in here. Thank you for coming out tonight. Thank you for waiting and being patient with us. Lord, may you shake more. Thank you for representing me and us all the time. God bless you. God bless you. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin bàbá àti màmá olórí. Àwọn ọba aládé tó jáde. Gbogbo àwọn ará inú ààfin. Ẹkún fẹ́ mi. Ẹ ṣé gan ni. God bless you. Ẹ lọ́wọ́ ọ̀tọ́jú lára mi. Ẹ ṣé. Thank you, God bless you for coming tonight. And I hope that you enjoy the rest of tonight because kò tí ì tán. Orí ń wà lára wọn gan, ijó dẹ̀ wà lára àwọn èèyàn. So but I just really must say thank you before everyone leaves and they did not hear my Thanksgiving. Ẹ ṣé gan ni. Thank you all. Ẹ ṣe sùúrù. Ẹ má jẹ́ àtàbùkù. I must say thank you to my mother. Kábíyèsí ó ní mo ṣe kẹ́ mi. Mo ṣe dé ẹ máa rán mi létí mi. Ẹ mọ̀ pé tí yín náà ni Queen Mother. Ẹ ṣé God, thank you for reminding me. My mom is awesomely blessed by God. She's an amazing woman. You know, she's got this aura, this love within her that radiates on the outside of her. She's just awesome. Ṣé mo arákùnrin ni wọ́n ti mo dẹ̀ lè fẹ́ wọn. Máa kó wọn lọ. Honestly, àwọn kan wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Àwọn kan wà bẹ́ẹ̀. So for hands. Mẹ́rin. Bọ́dí lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin fi 1 million. Tọ́kùnrin bá tán lé 1 million ṣẹ́kù lọ. Popular àgùdọ̀pọ̀ púpọ̀. But truly my mom is very wonderful. She's been through all the stress for me. I get really agitated when things are not working, but she's always there. Sebali see Emi àti, I don't know, she's like a friend to me. I don't know how to keep friends. But she be Emi àti your papa. I definitely understand the spirit in me. You know, sometimes I'm smiling, sometimes I'm not. And she's always there. You know, she's a wonderful woman, wonderful. She would serve me and do everything for me. She sit back with me. It's a too white, Mama, so joke, very now. You know, Mom is just awesome. She's in everywhere with the chef, with the people handling, with the call, with everything. She's event planner, manager, money piece, advisor, pastor, prophetess. That is that one only yes, moving forward. I want to man do a lot of days. Them more. We will come back here. But I'm just saying that Mommy is just awesome. She's a wonderful woman. Okay, the one woman that is more beautiful. Gbogbo obìnrin ló máa ń jẹ́. Wọ́n bẹ̀ ọ̀gọ́ni. Alice ló jáde sí pé wọ́n máa ń fò wọ́n ní ìyẹ̀ tó èmi náà wá jókòó sórí ìyẹ̀ yẹn dáadáa káàdì máa ń fò. So Mommy, God bless you ma. Ẹ ṣé gan ni, ẹ ṣé gan ni. I must say thank you to my daddy in Absentia too. I got his phone call very early in the morning to say you are blessed. I'm blessed to have you as a daughter. and we have the support and prayers. Thank you, Daddy, wherever you are. Mami, ọmọ Kẹ́hìndé, ìjìrí ará Àṣokùn, Ògúnṣèyí, ọmọ Olóńdó Ẹ̀gbin, ẹ ṣe wà nílé sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, agbọ́pẹ̀lẹ̀ òdo lọ, tura lọ́ọ̀ kábíyèsí. Àgbọ̀dù púpọ̀ bá gbọ́pẹ̀lẹ̀ ìfẹ́. Mo gbọ́gbọ́ ní bọ̀ṣẹ́, bàbá sọ́lé ìgbìlà máa sọ lọ́jọ́ mi. Bàbá, ese glory àwọn para àsìkò aṣáàlè ṣe yẹn ibẹ̀ náà nìyẹn ṣẹ̀wọ̀n ìpín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe kú náà bá ṣe lè ṣe oṣù kò sílẹ̀ ọjọ́ mi. So thank you very much. Thank you all for making me smile. It's a whole lot of effort. Now, if you want to come and ring, mo ló get our butter like one. Come and ring me say, you say, "Mama, put your one leg." I say, "Mama, anything like scarce, oh scarce, you be along with Catholic Baba, scarce money." So anything one man adjust your duty, Shemo. So thank you all for taking me as I am. I love you so much. I'm deeply grateful that this day is this awesome. I didn't think you would come out for me like this. I didn't come over there and keep going on. I say thank you to him for coming my way and making me his mother. Eshegoni, my very honorable guest, Fadeshola, I love you. Thank you. Eshegoni. So the music can continue. Happy session.